educational resources on the tropicsu website are of two types: teaching tools and lesson plans. These resources can be used to teach various topics in the sciences, mathematics, social sciences and humanities by using climate-related examples, case studies and exercises. A teaching tool is typically a single computer-based tool such as an interactive visualization, a model or simulator, a video micro-lecture, a classroom or laboratory activity, or a game or mobile app. Teaching tools are classified according to discipline, climate topic, tool type, grade level, language and region or location. These tools cover a range of disciplines: biological sciences, chemistry, earth sciences, economics, environmental sciences, geography, humanities, mathematics and statistics, physics and social sciences. You can use these teaching tools to teach several topics in various disciplines. Visit the TROP ICSU website to discover tools that cover topics such as sea level rise, coastal floods and glaciers in geography, photosynthesis, biodiversity, phenology and human health in the biological sciences, blackbody radiation, electromagnetic spectrum and planetary energy balance in physics, climate refugee, environmental migration, climate justice and urban climate resilience in the social sciences and many more. You can select from a variety of tool types: readings, video lectures and micro lectures, audio, models or simulators, interactive visualizations, classroom or laboratory activities, games and mobile apps. Grade level, climate topic, language and region can also be used as selection filters. For each teaching tool listing, we have included a brief description of the resource and some sample questions for evaluating students' learning. The second type of educational resource on the TROP ICSU website is the lesson plan. A lesson plan is a topic-specific guide containing teaching tools and a write-up describing how to teach a particular topic in the curriculum of science, mathematics, social sciences or humanities by using examples, case studies and exercises related to climate change. Lesson plans include learning outcomes, detailed step-by-step guidelines, and sample questions for evaluating students' learning. A typical lesson plan may consist of an introductory video micro-lecture, a classroom or laboratory activity for further understanding or hands-on exploration, reading material, and additional resources for further exploration of the topic. Detailed step-by-step instructions to use these teaching tools are provided. Let us explore a lesson plan in economics. This lesson plan can be used to teach the topic of cost-benefit analysis at the undergraduate level. Let us have a look at the more interactive version of this lesson plan. In the overview, the topic and discipline or subject for which the lesson plan can be used are specified. A brief summary of what students will do and learn in the activities is also available. Some additional key information such as grade level, discipline, topics in discipline and duration will help you to select a suitable lesson plan of interest. A list of learning outcomes specifies the knowledge and skills that a learner is expected to acquire after completion of the tasks and activities outlined in the lesson plan. In this lesson plan, we move from the overview to the first section. What is cost-benefit analysis? This section introduces the term cost-benefit analysis and provides a link to an online reading resource for an introduction to the topic. Click on the link to access the resource and use it. Moving on, the next section recommends the usage of an online reading resource to describe and discuss the economic analysis of climate change and specifically cost-benefit studies of global climate change. Click on the link to access the resource and use it. Then, in the following section, an interactive, engaging classroom or laboratory activity is provided. Through the usage of the resources in this activity, students can learn about carbon abatement and can then perform cost-benefit analysis for the abatement of carbon emissions. Click on the link to access the activity. Sample questions and assignments are provided to help evaluate students' learning outcomes. Use the additional resources to discover the topic in more detail or to choose other teaching tools for the lesson plan. This lesson plan can be used to teach an economics topic, cost-benefit analysis, and to simultaneously increase awareness and knowledge of a climate change topic, in this case, carbon emissions abatement. Integrate this lesson plan with your existing lesson plan to teach cost-benefit analysis or use it as a complete new lesson plan. You may use this complete lesson plan as it is or customize the contents and structure for your usage, or even create an entirely new lesson plan by using this one as a template or reference. If you develop your own lesson plan, please contribute the same to TROP ICSU for others to benefit from your efforts. If you wish to recommend a relevant teaching tool that you have developed, modified, or used, please contact us. Visit our website for more detail.